What's up guys, and as you know, we've heard plenty about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 10 in recent weeks, and still we are getting a lot of rumors related to the Note 10. So today, a new set of leaked photos claim to give us our first glimpse at Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Note 10. Having said that, we have good news and the bad news about these leaked photos of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, which claim to show hands-on images of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 for the first time ever. So we'll start with the bad news first. These photos are almost certainly fake, like 99.999% fake, because the world's top Samsung insider Ice Universe recently revealed that the Note 10 will have a hole punch display like the Samsung Galaxy S10 series, but he said there will be two main differences. First, he said the hole for the front-facing camera on the Note 10 will be centrally located instead of in the top right corner of the screen. Second, he said it will be round hole with a single lens behind it. With all in that mind, let's take a look at these supposed leaked images which were posted by a user on Chinese microblogging platform Weibo before being reposted on smartphone leaker/leaks. So the phone pictured in this photo is most likely the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 that has been altered in Photoshop, but it looks amazing though. The whole cutout of the screen for the selfie cameras is indeed centrally located, but it's an oblong hole for a dual lens camera. That's not what we're expecting to see when the Note 10 is released in the coming months. So overall, this phone looks amazing, but now it's time for the good news. So the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 design will probably look even more amazing than the fake phone in these photos. Yup, Samsung managed to make the bezel on the bottom of the Samsung Galaxy S10 series phone much thinner than the chin bezel on phone pictured above, and it's likely that design will carry over the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. So thankfully, we don't have very long to wait before we find out, since the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 will likely be unveiled in about 2 months and a press conference in early August. In my point of view, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 will look stunning because of the camera hole in the center position. Like the dual camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus looks good, but not that much good as compared to the centered. So yeah guys, what do you think about the camera position of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10? Do you think it will be in center position? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.